In video number 9, we're going to do a standing double crochet using single crochet and a chain 1 to do that. So instead of just slip stitching to the first one, we're going to pull up a loop. We're going to take it off of the hook and we're going to throw this yarn that's leading to the yarn ball in behind. We're going to come into the next stitch from the back to the front and fold this over onto the hook. Okay, so fold it over onto the hook. Sorry, I was looking at the monitor. And you pull towards the back side. Okay, and you pull it to the height of a regular single crochet, so about there. We're then going to release it off of the hook, and don't pull on this yarn at all because you'll have a bad time. And you're going to come into the very first stitch once again, and you are going to grab the yarn that is leading towards the yarn ball, and you're going to pull through this. Okay, so you still have the loop on the back, and now you have a new loop that's being created on the front. You are then going to pick up the loop that is just sitting in behind, like that. And so what does this look like? It looks like a single crochet. So then you yarn over, pull through the 2, and then yarn over, pull through 1. And that is a standing double crochet in this format. So in this case, it's telling you that there's another double crochet in there as well. So let me show you once again. So when you finish a round, you don't join it automatically. You just leave the last loop, pull up on the loop, and let it fall to the front. Make sure the hook is in front of the yarn that is leading to the ball, going to the first stitch you're supposed to do the stitch with, and coming from the back to the front. Fold this over and pull through to the back. You are going to reposition your hands and pull things nice and tight, keeping this the height of a regular single crochet. Release it off, and this strand that is going to the yarn ball, carefully putting in your hook into that same one that you pulled this through, you're going to pull the yarn that is leading to the yarn ball back through to the front side. So you don't want to pull so much that you're going to eliminate that other one, and then you're going to put both of them on. So then this would be the start of a single crochet. So pull through 2 and then pull through 1. I'll demonstrate one more time. So here's the last demonstration. So you're going to pull up a loop and you're going to release it, come to your first one from the back to the front, and make sure it's not like this. Make sure it's over top of that one that's leading to the yarn ball. Fold this over and take it back with you and reposition your hands and pull things tight. So this should be the height of a single crochet, which is like the thickness of your crochet hook. Release it and put your hook back into the same one and grab the yarn that is leading to the yarn ball, and make sure that you don't pull to the point where it's going to collapse the first one, and put the first one back onto the hook, and then yarn over, pull through 2, which is considered a single crochet, and then chain 1. So in this instruction, it says to put 2 double crochets in each, so that would be considered the first one. So it looks very similar to a double crochet. It's not 100%, but it's pretty close. And so you can follow the instructions, and I'll be back at the end of the round to show you how to finish off. But in this case, if you want to start with that same idea again, you need to pull up on a loop, come into the top of the first standing, and pull that through. So this is a mistake. So I got to make sure that this yarn is underneath the hook. Okay, so it's good to leave these kind of things in the tutorials. You realize that things are not always perfect. Put it on and pull towards the back. Pull tight and release. Go into the same standing double crochet and yarn over, pull through the loop, and then put the other loop back on. Pull through the 2 and then the 1, just like that. And then that's your standing double crochet ready for the next round. Okay, so it's a good thing to know. Where you would use it, I'm really not sure, but you can let me know in the comments on how you feel about this particular stitch.